5 reasons married women are happier than single women. Marriage is a beautiful commitment that many women aspire to. But it's not all roses. Some challenges and pressures come along with a marital relationship, no matter how much you may love your spouse. That being said, married women tend to be happier than their single counterparts, and here are 5 reasons why. First, married women benefit from a strong support system. They usually have someone to talk to about their worries and concerns, which can help them handle life's challenges in a healthier way. Moreover, marriage provides emotional security, which is something that single women may struggle to find in their day-to-day lives. Second, married women are more likely to have a larger social circle. They can take advantage of their spouse's friends and family, as well as their own, which creates a support system that can make them feel connected to the world around them. This sense of belonging is often lacking in single women's lives. Third, married women are likely to have a stronger financial situation than single women. This is due to 2 factors: their spouse's income, and the fact that they may be able to share expenses such as bills and groceries. Having access to more disposable income can be a great stress reliever for both men and women in marriage. Fourth, married women are more likely to have children than single women. This can be a great source of happiness and fulfillment, providing access to the joys of parenthood that many single women may miss out on. Finally, married women often benefit from a sense of shared purpose. By having someone to work together with towards common goals, they can enjoy the rewards of a job well done. For instance, they can buy property together or jointly raise their children. Overall, it's clear that married women are often happier than single women for a variety of reasons. From having someone to talk to in times of need to reaping the rewards of shared goals. Marriage is an important part of many women's lives. With the right person by their side, married women can find joy and fulfillment in ways that single women may not be able to. The benefits of marriage often make it worth the challenges that may come along with it. For that reason, many women continue to decide to tie the knot. I hope this video answers your question. Don't forget to subscribe to get more tips on how to improve your relationship. Thank you for watching.